Hello students, today we are here to discuss the multiplication and division process of the fraction. So when we are taking the multiplication case, there will be two cases. First, in which cancellation process will be there, and another in which cancellation process is not there. Cancellation process, I am reminding you, is that a numerator of any fraction can be divided by the denominator. Okay, means what? This numerator, any of this can be divided by any of the denominator 5 or 3, but here is not that case. See here, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 9, 3 and 9, there is a relation. 9 is a multiple of 3, 4 and 8 is a multiple of 4. So here cancellation process will be done. First we will do this 16 4, just multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 16 into 4 upon 3 into 5, so we will get here 64 upon 15. Next, what is that? 3 upon 8 into 4 upon 9. So 8 can be cancelled by the 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, this is the way to write. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. And what you will get here? 1 cross 1 upon 2 cross 3. This is 1 upon 6. This is 1 upon 6. This is our answer. So this is the case of multiplication of fraction. Next we will talk about the division. So when we talk about the division, what is there? In division only one precaution is there. Suppose we are writing a fraction 2 upon 3 which is divided by 1 upon 6. So first, this can also be written in this manner, 2 by 3, okay, upon 1 by 6. This is the way to write different ways. First of all, we will write the first fraction same, 2 upon 3. Then put a multiplication mark here and just keep the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So 1 by 6 will be converted into 6 upon 1. I am just writing at the denominator 1 for the precaution to understand, because in denominator there is no meaning of 1. Okay, so this is what happened here. Again we are watching that 6 is a multiple of 3, so that can be cancelled out. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6, and this is what? 2 cross 2 upon what? 1 cross 1. Okay, so this is 4 upon 1, or simply 4. This is your answer. 4. Next we will take another example. Suppose we are talking about an example which is of mixed type. 5 whole 1 by 2 divided by 6 whole 1 by 5. So just simply convert it into the improper fraction. 5 2 ja 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2. Okay, just 6 5 ja 30 plus 1, 31 upon 5. Just simply write here first fraction as it is, and next one will be with the multiplication sign reciprocal. 31 by 5 means 5 by 31. Okay, so here no cancellation process is here. So simply write here 11 5 ja 55 and 31 2 ja 62. Simply it is a case of proper fraction, so it will not be converted into the another form. So it is our answer. I hope you will understand the multiplication and division process of the fraction. Next we will talk about the operation of the fraction, in which expression type of questions are there. Means more than one fractions are there, addition subtraction both will held together. Okay, so we will see. Suppose there is a question in which it is told find 1 by 2 of, okay, find 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 5. Then it is not very difficult. First of all, we have to see that what is the meaning of of. Meaning of this of means to multiply. The meaning of this is to multiply. We can write it here 1 by 2 cross 3 upon 4. So here we will follow the BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule, bracket will be solved first, so we will go for the bracket. Okay, we will go for the bracket. First we will solve the bracket, and it is what, 1 upon 2 cross in bracket 3 upon 4 cross, but reciprocal will be here 4. Okay, simply it is here what, 1 cross 2 cross 15 upon 16, simple here, 15 upon 32. It is a case of proper fraction, so that's why we can write here the answer. Taking another example, in which same example we will change this symbol, 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 plus, suppose 4 by 5. This is the example. Okay, so again we will take multiplication symbol. Same process is here, 1 by 2 cross 3 upon 4 plus 4 upon 5 is here, and that's what is the next step, our 4 and 5. We will take LCM of that. 2 cross 2 to the 4, 5 will be added, is it 2 1 the 2 and 5 again 5 1 the 5. So what is our LCM? LCM is here our 2 cross 5, and what is that, 2 to the 4, 5 the 20. So we will write here 20. 1 upon 2 cross, first of all we will follow the BODMAS, so bracket will be solved first. 4 5 ja 20, 5 cross 3, put a plus sign here. 5 4 ja 20, 4 cross 4. Okay, so it is 1 by 2, again 15 plus 16 upon 20, and what is here we are getting, okay, 15 plus 16. Okay, this is not only but 31 upon 20, simple here. So this is 31 cross 1 upon 2 cross 20. So it can be further written, 31 upon 40. It is a case of proper fraction, so this will be our final answer. So I hope with the help of this video you can understand what is the way to solve the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and some special kind of fraction. Thanks for watching.